Claiming Pacers are lined up for tonight's second race, a field of 7. The run gate. And the off. Topfield Diamond charges out from the center of the track. Jagger Blue Chip, the favorite. Dosso on to go early. As Drew Bromack slides up the inside to protect that position into the opening turn. It's Jagger Blue Chip and Sutton who have the lead midway around that opening turn. Drew Bromack came away tightly on his back second. Topfield Diamond is third. In front of T. Russell races in fourth. Little Nicky B follows in fifth. Blue Collar Raider was next in line sixth. Pleasant Rio, the treader, past the opening marker, 28-2. And Jagger Blue Chip off at 1-9 here, a heavy favorite. And he's faced no pressure thus far as they race towards the half. Drew Bromack still on his back second with Topfield Diamond content to track in third. T. Russell remains in fourth in front of Little Nicky B. Blue Collar Raider races 8 lengths off the lead, and Pleasant Rio still the treader, still single file. The heavy favorite getting plenty of respect here. It's Jagger Blue Chip who takes him past the half, 56-2, 28 seconds for that second quarter. So an honest clip there, an honest half mile for Jagger Blue Chip, who remains unpressured as they race onto the far turn. Drew Bromack remains on his back second as T. Russell fires up on the outside for Stiltner. Topfield Diamond continues to save ground fourth. Little Nicky B remains in fifth. There's a Blue Collar Raider moves to the outside. It's still Jagger Blue Chip on top as T. Russell is only a half length back of the outside second. Drew Bromack right there along the inside third. They're past three quarters, 124-4, 28-2 for that third quarter. Jagger Blue Chip, he came to pace tonight, and now he draws clear to a 3-length lead. It's wide open for the Minor Spoils as they hit mid-stretch, but Jagger Blue Chip has drawn clear. Pleasant Rio is up on the outside. Drew Bromack tries to dig in along the pylons. Topfield Diamond there, but Jagger Blue Chip just dominated. Jagger is back, 153-2. Topfield Diamond was up in time for second from Drew Bromack. Again, 153-2.